Imagine a world without antibiotics. It's a world where a simple scratch could be deadly, a world where childbirth, now relatively safe, could often turn tragic. This was our reality before these miracle drugs. Antibiotics are like the guardians of our health. They are medicines that combat bacterial infections. Bacteria are microscopic, single-celled organisms. They're everywhere and most are harmless, but some can cause serious illnesses. Antibiotics work their magic by either killing bacteria directly or stopping them from growing and multiplying. This gives our immune system a fighting chance to wipe out the infection. Bacteria build walls around themselves. These walls protect them, much like our skin protects us. Penicillin, one of the first discovered antibiotics, weakens these walls, causing the bacteria to burst and die. Other antibiotics work differently. Some, like tetracyclines, interfere with the bacteria's ability to make proteins. Proteins are essential for bacteria to function and grow. Without them, they die. Crucially, antibiotics are designed to target bacteria and leave our own cells unharmed. This is possible because human cells are different from bacterial cells in their structure and function. Let's look at some common antibiotics. Amoxicillin, for instance, is often prescribed for ear infections, which are usually caused by bacteria. It works by preventing bacteria from building their protective walls. Another example is azithromycin, often used for respiratory infections like pneumonia. Azithromycin stops bacteria from producing proteins, essentially halting their growth in their tracks. These are just two examples of the many antibiotics available. Each is effective against certain types of bacteria. That's why it's crucial to use the right antibiotic for the right infection, and that's a decision best left to medical professionals. Imagine a shield that's been hit with the same weapon repeatedly. Eventually, it might develop dents or cracks, making it less effective. This is similar to what happens with antibiotic resistance. When bacteria are constantly exposed to antibiotics, they can evolve and develop ways to survive, even when exposed to the drug designed to kill them. This is antibiotic resistance. The misuse and overuse of antibiotics are major contributors to this growing problem. When antibiotics are used unnecessarily, like for viral infections, which they can't treat, it gives bacteria more opportunities to develop resistance. This is a serious threat. It means we are at risk of returning to a time when simple infections could once again become deadly. We must use antibiotics wisely and only when absolutely necessary. This is not just about our own health, but the health of future generations.